Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Jemel15. Yo, the South Bristol Sports Centre has 5-a-side football pitches available for you to use, and a weekly 5-a-side league you can join. To get 1 hour free on a 5-a-side pitch, use the discount code Jemel15. All the links are in the description box below. Check it out. Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Jemel15, back again with another video. And as you can see, I'm here with Mavric and Wolfie, and we are doing the Woodwork challenge. You guys know how this goes. We're gonna go from left to right, left post, crossbar, then the right post. The ball has to come off the ground. Really, it should be simple. Yeah, how you guys feeling?
Yeah, good question. We'll have to find out, won't we?
Guys, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's start the video.
Let's do it.
I'm not trying to score now, I'm just trying to hit the post.
He's done it.
Wait, was that?
That was inside post. That counts.
Do you reckon that counts, yeah?
Yeah, that counts.
Come on, man.
There's one way of putting pressure on, and that's by hitting it with your first shot. So now I've got to hit it with my first shot. It's not gonna happen. Go on, man.
Oh my god!
Maybe I am. Right, so there's absolutely no pressure on me now to hit it first time. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh god, if you did, I swear to God. Hitting the crossbar should be easy. I said should.
Nah. 2 minutes slow. Okay, so left post first time, crossbar first time. Look in the bottom corner. If it's 2 minutes 43, you know why. Because we're hitting it first time here.
Oh,
That's out, mate.
It's good.
Okay, so Jemel's already on the final post, and I haven't hit the first one yet. Like, what's going on? It's got to be it.
Oh shit!
No! That's crossbar!
Oh shit! No! Just the right post.
Oh, that's more like it.
That's alright, that's alright.
The funny thing about pressure, it starts eating away at you, and you start to think, I'm not good enough.
Oh!
And it's probably right in this instance. How's your touch?
Bruh.
Dead.
Oh, I do! Oh,
please!
That was like, that was close. Oh
I
shit!
think that's a no.
Yeah, that hit the bar. That hit the crossbar.
Oh, hey. Great finish.
Great finish, but wrong challenge, mate.
Right. Insert song building up to a banger, because this is hitting.
Make the ground shake.
The fence. It's hitting the fence. That's the one. Got it. Right, look at that post. Egging me on it. It's giving me crap all day. Like, I've been so close to hitting it.
Just one more. Give this to me.
Bruh.
Nope. I'm talking too much and just not getting the job done.
Oh, I was gonna scrape that on the way in. Oh, bro, these are great finishes as well. No more talking. That was talking. Oh.
Has he got it in him? Has he got it in him?
Come on.
I had to do something, didn't I?
Come on.
Right, I think I just need to get angry. Whenever I get angry, I hit it. So, that crossbar is getting it. Come on, you got it! That is so close.
Oh my god!
Great finish.
Oh!
Okay, so it's getting very interesting now. We are all on the last post. So, whoever hits it wins, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, I better go hit it now then.
It is.
The absolute scenes.
He's come back!
Nah.
Wow!
Come on.
Guys, thank you for watching the video. What about that for a finish? How did you do that?
I don't know, mate. Like I said, slow and steady wins the race.
Apparently it does today. I don't even know what to say. Like the way it started and finished, crazy. Guys, make sure you check out these guys' channels in the description box below. Check it out, alright? If you like this video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Thanks again for watching, guys.